Hello children, good morning. I am your English teacher and in this video we will do English grammar. So children, in our English grammar first chapter is the alphabet. Okay? Now see, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. In English alphabets there are 26 letters and they are written in capital letters and small letters. Now children, we will see one by one how letters are written in capital letters and in small letters. See, first we will see capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So children, these are letters of alphabets. Okay, and they are written in capital letters. Children, if we start counting from A to Z, it will be 26. Okay, that's why it's given there are 26 letters in English alphabet. You can also try start counting from A till Z. You will get 26 letters. Okay children. Now next is alphabets written in small letters. Again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So children, these all letters are written in small letters. Okay. So we have seen alphabet written in capital letters and small letters. Okay. Now these all are what you have studied in LKG and UKG. But this is revision, so revise once again. What you have to do, you have to read the letters and words aloud. Aloud means loudly. You have to read the letters and words written by those letters loudly. See, first one is A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jar. K for kite. L for leaf. M for mouse. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for table. Now children, turn the page. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow and Z for zebra. Okay children, so you have to read all these words loudly. Now, so children, this All this was your alphabet. Now some book exercises are given, which I have done. Just say it carefully and you also do it in your book. This is on page number 3. Question number 1. Circle the correct small letter for each capital letter given below. What is given? In the blue line, capital letters alphabet are given. And in the white box, small letters are given. Each and everywhere, 2 small letters are there. One is correct and one is wrong. You have to circle the correct small letter according to the capital letter. Listen once more. We have to circle the correct small letter according to the capital letter. See, first box, capital A is given. So I have circled small a. In the same way, capital B is given. I have circled small b. In the same way, you have to do till Z. Okay, children, do it carefully. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is arrange the following letters in the correct order. Now see what is given. It's given E, C, D, A, B. Is it correct? No. Alphabet starts with A. Alphabets always start with A. So first we will write A. After A, B is there. After B, C is there. After C, D. And after D, E. So we will write A, B, C, D, E. Okay. In the same way, second line, it's given I, J, G, H, F. See children, again this is wrong. In the first place, F will be there. After F, G, then H, then I, then J. So you have to write in correct order. Do it carefully, children. Question number 3 is use small letters to fill in the blanks. Question number 3, you have to write in small letters. Somewhere it's written, small letters are written already, but wherever is not written, you have to write it. Okay. Now once more we will see. The English alphabet has 26 letters from A to Z. Okay. And they are written in capital letters and small letters. Alphabets are written in capital and small letters both. For example, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e. Okay children, so alphabets can be written in both ways. Now I have given you homework. You have to read the lesson carefully. And second one, you have to complete page number 3 and 4 in book. See children, you have to do it carefully. See how I have done. In the same way, everyone has to do. Okay. Now thank you children.